Hello guys, my name is Navasa Rodrick. Uh, this is our first assignment of our project football prediction. Uh, so let me take it through me and my colleague, Iowa Steven. Football prediction project. Football prediction is a method used in football to predict the outcome of football matches by the means of statistical tools through machine learning. The goal of football machine prediction is to outperform the predictions of bookmakers who use them to set the odds on the outcome of football matches. Uh, the background of the AI project and accountability. So the background. Football as a game produces a huge amount of statistical data about the team, matches played, between the teams, the environment in which the match is being played. The statistical data can be explored using various machine learning techniques to predict various information related to the particular football match, namely the result of the particular game, performance of the player in a particular game. We, in this project, will attempt to design a prediction system for enabling people to get the correct results from their prediction against the bookmakers. AI accountability. There is transparency. In our football prediction, there is transparency internally in the team. This is to identify who should be held responsible for the respective outcomes in the project and also who should be held accountable. Creation of easily interpretable models. Our football prediction project is designed to easily understand by all the people from all walks of the life, especially those who are interested in the football business, prediction business, performance. This is a measure of how the AI models is performing in the making it and in enabling us to make monitor the model in which will be due time enable us correct the to get the correct scores of the results. The AI significancy, the amount of data that is generated by both humans and machines in the football prediction business. This is too much for a human's ability to absorb, interpret, and make complex decisions based on the data. This AI model will help people involved in the football prediction business to be able to break down the vast amounts of information to enable them to make the correct prediction on the outcome of the results of the particular football games. In this case, the data is a lot, so people may not really able to correlate and be able to get the right results. So this is why AI comes in to help them do that. Our AI project scope, identifying the AI problem. The problem in our project is failure to accurately predict the results of the football matches, especially those involved in the prediction business. Then identify the possible solutions. The solution that we have been able to identify is coming up with a model that will enable the people to be able to handle vast amounts of statistical data and be able to come up with accurate predictions, determining the milestones. This involves different machine learning techniques to be used in developing the model and how they can be used, mobilizing the resources. This involves coming up with the desired resources to be able to bring the model into physical existence. The problem statement. This is challenging for humans to take in account all the factors and accurately anticipate a sporting event because many sports contain a certain challenging number of characteristics directly affect the outcome. A performance method is required in these circumstances to handle all the artificial intelligence, to handle all The artificial intelligence enters the picture while dealing with the data. Now, astonishing amount of data may be processed thanks to this technology's tremendous advancement in order to reach the incredibly helpful conclusion.
Welcome back to our YouTube channel. My name is Iowa Steven. To continue from where my colleague has stopped, we shall look at the AI research questions. Some of the research questions that we have are how can machine learning be applied to enable people come up with accurate results from participating in football prediction? In this case, we are looking at how machine learning can be applied, especially artificial intelligence, can be applied in such a field. The next question is, can machine learning be applied to improve the process of predicting results from the games? In this case, we are looking at how machine learning can basically improve the existing systems that predict the results and how it can be improved. The hypothesis of this project, one of them is a trained model that can be used to interpret the statistical data involved in the related football games and enable people involved to be able to come up with accurate results. Another hypothesis we have is it can be able to make accurate analysis of the games being played and the actions taking place in the football games of each team to enable the predicators to be able to come up with accurate results. In this, our model will be looking at how it can improve the analysis that is made, be able to improve the results that are obtained from these predictions. Then our research objectives is to be able to identify the major challenges faced by people who participate in football result prediction process. That is a very big challenge, and I think it can be solved to identify the problems in the current football analysis and result prediction systems and how our AI model can improve on it. And then our dataset description. Our dataset was majorly obtained from Kaggle, and the link of the data is provided in the slides. And the dataset is majorly composed of the season, country, league, date in which the game was played, name of the home and away team, number of goals scored by the home and away team, the goal difference, the outcome of the game in terms of home win, draw, and loss. Then the dataset also majorly contains statistical data that includes different stats posted by different teams over time. The proposed methodologies. One of them, these are the methods that we are going to apply in our model. One of them is input data preparation. This is through comparing statistical data using assumptions and different choices. And another method is the LVQA method. The current home rating and the away rating of the home team are the first set of attributes in the input for the LVQA neural networks. The second batch of the LV of the attributes is indeed the current residence, net rating and out rating of the away team. And then we have the LVQB method, that is the second method. The input of the LVQB neural net only has two attributes. The first is the main home rating of the home team, and the second is the current out rating of the return leg of the different teams that have been playing. Then, and both m and n are the integers that are used in this particular statistical analysis. Then there is also the training procedure. This forecast each week. The forecast for each week are computed using the previous week's outcome as training data. So before you use this model, first look at the previous results of the previous game weeks, and then be able to come up with accurate analysis. And there's also testing. In this case, no data is used for validation. That's because a system has been trained to make predictions with the lowest possible error for previous match weeks. Does not automatically mean that it will make better predictions for the matches of the following week. So you can't rely on the previous data sets obtained. Thank you. And these are the references to our work, and they can be obtained from different sites. Thank you, and please subscribe to our channel.